Morro Strand State Beach Campground in Central California is a fun beach location for every type of camper. As for the amenities, the State Beach offers basic RV hookups and restrooms. The only thing it's missing is on-site showers, but sites touching the beach can look forward to soft sandy plots that kids can enjoy. And the campground has multiple access points to the 3-mile beach. We played on the beach during low tide at sunset, and it's hard to describe how beautiful it was with the sun reflecting off the sand. The large swath of beach uncovered during low tide is free of seaweed and debris, resulting in some awe-inspiring sights. It feels like you can walk out into the ocean forever, and we don't think we've experienced a more picturesque beach sunset in all of California. And the kids had so much fun finding sand dollars and the tiny clams uncovered by the low tide. After about an hour of play, we headed back to the campsite to hang out around the campfire before heading to Morro Bay State Park to use their showers. If you want to do the same, talk to the camp host before you go. As for things to do around the Morro Strand State Beach, there isn't much near the vicinity. But the town isn't far away, and they have a small natural history museum that our kids enjoyed. And we'll see you next Tuesday with even more to experience with your kids around California.
Thanks for watching.